Hey there, friends. Have you ever had a day where nothing seems to go right? Well, I've got a story for you that might just make you giggle and feel a whole lot better. Welcome to the Laughter Club. Once upon a time, in a cheerful little town, there was a club where the kids came together to laugh and have fun. This club wasn't just any club, it was the Laughter Club. Whenever someone had a problem, they would come to the club, and guess what? They would laugh their troubles away. One day, a girl named Emily joined the club, and she was feeling sad because she lost her favorite toy. The club members, led by their super funny leader, Max the Joker, decided to help her out. Max did a silly dance that made everyone laugh so hard they almost fell off their chairs. Then another member, Lily, started telling the funniest jokes. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Emily couldn't help but giggle. As Emily laughed and laughed, she realized something amazing. Even though her toy was still lost, she felt a lot better. The laughter made her forget about her worries for a while. She learned that sometimes, when things are tough, a little laughter can help you feel better. Emily decided to stay in the Laughter Club and help others laugh. Whenever someone was feeling down, she would tell a joke or make a funny face. And soon everyone would be smiling again. So, the next time you're feeling sad or worried, remember Emily and the Laughter Club. Find something funny, share a laugh with a friend, and you might just feel a whole lot better. Thanks for listening, friends. Keep laughing and stay happy.